Welcome to our channel. Understanding email threading on LinkedIn helps you manage your message conversations more efficiently. Step 1. Open LinkedIn and navigate to your inbox by clicking the messaging icon at the top of the page. Step 2. Select a conversation thread to view all related messages in chronological order. Step 3. LinkedIn automatically threads messages from the same person or group conversation, keeping all related communications together. Step 4. To reply in the thread, simply type your message in the text box at the bottom and hit send. Step 5. Use the search function within a thread to find specific messages or keywords in long conversations. Step 6. Click on the conversation settings icon to manage thread preferences such as notifications or muting. Step 7. To start a new thread with the same person, you can click New Message to begin a separate conversation that won't be threaded with previous messages. Step 8. Archive or delete old threads by selecting the Thread Options menu to keep your inbox organized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.